This is the DIY 5D diamond painting. It comes with every single color of diamond you need to fill out the painting, the numbered canvas, the tool to apply the diamonds, some wax to make the tool sticky, and I ended up just going with tweezers, but it's really fun and easy to do. You just coordinate the number on the bag with the number you put the colors down on, and they stick easily down. It's really calming and relaxing to just sort of let your mind go as you do this tedious task, and I really enjoyed it. It has a lot of different shapes and textures and colors to really create that 5D effect, and it came out beautiful. I'm so happy with it, and the best part, it glows in the dark. How cool and pretty is that? Go check them out.